guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can capture a photo from a video in Canva. So if you go to the element section here, find anything that you want and then go to the video section. I'm just going to get, I actually really want a video of I can't even spell that right. Dachshund, I don't know, dashboard, no. Okay, that's how you spell it. Super cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay. What about this one? So I want a photo of it and not a video. Oh my gosh, I don't. What about this one? I'm just like trying to pick one. Okay, this one's super cute. Okay, just at this point, pick a video. There we go. So here, you can basically just pause to the frame you want. For instance, like here. And then just press share and then select download and then download it as a JPEG image and then just select download, and it's going to just download the still frame and you can get it as like a picture instead of a video. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh, also make sure this part is on where you want the picture to be, like the line. Sorry, my bad. So here, I'll show you again before I go, just in case y'all missed it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.